Hey everyone, my name is Isa and I am the product designer here at OpenSauced. Today I want to walk you through a very exciting feature that we've been working on, which is the list feature. So up until now, if you wanted to track repos, you would create an insights page. But now with the list feature, you're also going to be able to create lists of contributors that you might be interested in and get insights into their activity, their highlights, and so much more. So with the list feature, you're going to be able to create lists, for example, for potential hires or contributors that you might want to invite into your project or even invite to an event. So let's imagine that I am organizing a meetup event for JavaScript developers in Argentina, my home country. I'm going to go ahead and create a new list that's going to be called Argentina JavaScript Meetup. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to get a full table just filled with open source contributors. Now I'm going to be able to use all of these filters to filter down this table and find the contributors that I'm looking for. So in this case, I'm going to be able to filter by Argentinian developers who use JavaScript and whose activity is high. So now that I have my table of contributors, I'm going to go ahead and select them all and I'm going to add them to a list. Now I'm going to get a dashboard just full of insights. Of course, I'm going to get a table with all the contributors that I've added to the list, and I'm going to be able to reach out to them, send collaboration requests, and invite them to my meetup. But I'm also going to get all sorts of insights into the community. I'm going to be able to see information about their activity, what their contributions look like, what projects they've been contributing to. I'm going to be able to see the highlights that they posted. I'm going to be able to also see how they're connected to each other. And I'm even going to get some really useful information into what languages they use, what other projects they might be interested in, and where they are located in the world. So that's essentially it for this walkthrough. I hope you guys enjoyed it and are as excited as me to see this in the platform. In the meantime, stay saucy.